Hello, sir. Welcome to the interview. Good night.
Good night.
I hope you are ready for it. Let's begin off with a few questions. The first one is, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is William Hernando Pinto Rojas. I am 33 years old. I am from Bogota. I work as a judicial investigator in State Institute.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I am responsible, punctual, organized, and witty. I am very attitude person.
Okay. I see. So the next question is, what are your weaknesses?
My weakness is to be impatient.
Okay. So, what begins your biggest achievements in life?
My family and dreaming a professional who serves other people.
Okay, I see, I understand. Thank you. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself working from your factory and the industrial engineer, my manager.
Mm, so, next question. Why do you want to leave your job?
I want a job. I hope a job. Mm, where and practice my professional industrial engineer.
Okay. Why do you want to work for us?
Your factory is the best, and for me, an excellent opportunity.
Okay. The last question is, what are your salary expectations?
And salary between 3 or 4 million.
Okay, that is all. So thank you so much, and we call you up.
Okay, thank you.